we're going to be talking about a module that we have called the Twitter hashtag module. And so what this module does is this module will go out to Twitter and it will find hashtags that have been generated from various accounts, and it will pull it into your CMS, and then you can pick and choose which tweets you want to automatically be shown on your CMS. So if I go to Twitter and I do a search for hashtag GVSU, you can see that we have several different tweets out there right now. So let's go back to our CMS and let's create this module so that we can collect these tweets. So to add the Twitter hashtag module to our page, we're first going to click on the Manage Modules link on the left. Then from here, we're going to click on New Module. And then from this dropdown, we will want to select Twitter hashtags. We'll give this an alias title name of CMS 201 hashtags, and then click on Submit. So now we're brought to this page. So we've created the module, and now what we need to do is create a hashtag set for the tweets to collect. So I'm going to click on this button that says Add Hashtag Set. You have to give this hashtag set a title, so we'll call this GVSU. And then in this box here, you will then enter in the hashtags that you want to collect for your CMS. So we're going to type in GVSU, and then if you place a comma, you can then enter in additional hashtags. So another hashtag that we may want to enter is Go Lakers. Once you're done adding in the hashtags, you will simply click the Submit button. And now you can see that we have a hashtag set created with the title of GVSU, and it will begin to collect the hashtags and the tweets that have the words GVSU and Go Lakers in it. So now that we've created the Twitter hashtag set, we're going to be collecting tweets that have the terms GVSU or Go Lakers in them. So what we will do next is we're going to click on this button that says Tweets. Something to keep in mind is that the tweets will be automatically collected every hour. And so currently we have no tweets associated with this search. So if I come back to this in the next hour, I will then begin to see the tweets. So some time has passed, and so now let's go take a look and see what tweets have been generated with this Twitter hashtag module. And so you can see now we have a whole list of tweets that have automatically been generated based off of the hashtags that we've entered. So what I would need to do now is I would need to go through and approve the tweets that I want to be shown on my CMS page. So I've selected a few. You could also click on this box here and it will choose all of them, and then you would want to choose the Approve Selected button. So we're going to pick these first few here and then click on the button that says Approve Selected. You'll get a prompt saying all of these records will be approved. Are you sure? Just to make sure that you want these tweets to be public. So now that we've done that, you'll see up here it says the records have been approved successfully. So now that we've approved some of the tweets, let's add this module to one of our pages. So I'm going to go and click on the content link over here on the left-hand side. And I have a page here called Zach Test that I want to add this module to. So I'm going to click on the Edit button. And I'm brought to this page here. So now what I will want to do is click on this button down here in the bottom right to view our modules. And then I am going to choose the Twitter hashtags module to add to this page. So now this module has been added, and you can click on the blue Edit Hashtags button or double click on this to view a few more options. And so here you can choose if you want the heading to be shown or the heading to hide. You can choose which hashtag sets you want. So if you have additional hashtag sets, you could choose which one you want. And then you could also choose how many tweets you would like to display, 1 through 10. So for this example, I'll select 2. Then I have the option of choosing if I want this to display as a feed or as a spotlight. I will show you what that means here in a second. I'm going to choose feed and then click on Save Changes. So we've now made the changes there. Let's click on the Preview Draft button and take a look at what this is going to look like. And so now you can see that the hashtag module has pulled in these 2 tweets which we've approved to our page. And we'll also notice that when we were at our page here, we chose to display it as the feed. So now let's add this module again, but then this time we're going to say, let's show 3 tweets, and instead of the feed module, let's show it as the spotlight. So now we're choosing that this one will be the feed, this one will be the spotlight. Now let's click on preview and take a look at the difference between those two. And there you can see what the difference is. And so this is the feed, this is the spotlight here. So you can choose whichever one you want. The person viewing the page could then also click on this link here that says view more Twitter hashtags. And then we will be able to see all of the tweets that came in that we've approved. So the Twitter hashtag module is great if you've got a particular event going on. So for example, homecoming. If we wanted to collect all of the tweets for homecoming, we could do that by simply creating the hashtag set homecoming or GVSU, and then we could automatically populate those tweets based off of that hashtag.